I started coming here right before I got pregnant the second time, and I had a pretty bad first pregnancy, so I knew I needed help second time around. He adjusted me monthly and every 2 weeks and then every week at the end of my pregnancy. I had a lot of heartburn, and he had a really great adjustment for my heartburn. And it was just nice to have my regular set appointments to know that if I was having back pain or this was bothering me or that was bothering me, I knew my appointment was set up and he could come and fix me. I was definitely more comfortable and sleeping better, and a much happier second pregnancy than my first.